Sit down with your back, neck and spine straight. Hands on the knees, and begin to rotate your shoulders clockwise, anti-clockwise. Then inhale, bring your both arms up. Exhale, left hand on the ground and bend to the left. Inhale. Exhale, bring your right hand on the ground by the side of the left and stretch forward as you can. And this hand you can also stretch away from the body. Inhale back. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale. Exhale, left hand on the ground. Stretch your both arms out. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Then bring the hands back. As back is easy and comfortable for you. And arch your back. Chest out, chest forward. Look up or forward. Inhale, exhale. Let's do one more time. Inhale, lift your chest, arch your back, head up. Exhale, release. Then bring the hands up like this and open them as you inhale. And close them as you exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last inhale and exhale. Interlock your hands, palm together, and lift your elbows on the shoulder level. Release, other side, chain the hand, palm together and lift your elbows up. Inhale back, bring the hands forward and hunch your back. Inhale, bring your arms up, hand back, arch your back one more time. Inhale up, exhale, bend forward and hunch your back. Inhale up and arch your back as you exhale. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, release. Namaste.